So this is my 379 Peterbilt. You know, these Peterbilts have these little pressed in nuts that often come loose, and then when you try to get the bolts out of the holes, the whole thing goes around. And I was like, this holds my window washer tank on, but you find these things all over the truck, and you end up they going around in circles. And this one here, see, I put a little roll pin in it. Now I'll show you. This one up here did the same thing. I'm putting 2 roll pins in it. See that's a roll pin or a tension pin. It's got a slot in it. So these are 3/32 of an inch. You use a 3/32 drill. And then you take the hammer and you hit it in there. I don't want to lose it, so I got to set the phone somewhere. But anyway, see, it's a going right in there. There we go. I put 2 in that one, and now it won't go around in a circle no more. Also having to cut the threads back in it. This one was all screwed up, but I'm getting there. So there's the video. And always wear safety glasses. You get those little pieces in your eyes, they don't grow back. Happy trails.